Welcome to the video lecture series of Theory of Computation. Today we are going to learn about the designing a Turing machine to delete a symbol. I am your instructor Poonam Patel. Let's start to understand this concept. So, in today's video, we discuss about the deleting a symbol. Here I have taken a strings triple B A. Now my head is pointed to the symbol which I want to delete it. I want to delete the symbol B in my input string. So after deleting the symbol, if I delete it, so my output will come, my output will come like BBA after deleting this second B. My logic is like this. Step number 1 said that the symbol which you want to delete, replace this symbol by a delta. So here I replace my small b with the delta. Now after replacing the small b with the delta, move to the step number 2. Now my step number 2 said that after deleting the symbol, replacing the symbol which we want to delete it with the delta, move my head to the right hand side. So at move my head to the right end of the string. So my head is moving. Now it is right now pointed to the delta, which is indicating the right end of the strings. So now my head is right now at the pointed to the delta. Now in this step, now we need to shift each and every symbol. We need to shift symbol one by one to the left side. Now as you can see over here, step number 3 said that one by one keep shifting every symbol one step to the left until you encounter a delta. To the left side, if you are performing a shift and you are encounter the delta, you have to stop over here. You are shifting. So you can see over here, small a is replaced by a delta, small b is replaced by a small a, and a delta is replaced by a small b. So likewise we can perform the shifting. You can see over here. Delta is shifted over here. Now A is shifted, now B is shifted. So my output string will be B double B A will be there. Now let us understand this logic by using the state transition diagram. So to understand this logic, we use this state transition diagram. This is the state transition diagram of a Turing machine which delete a symbol. Now let us understand the state transition diagram with the help of input string. Now my input string is AB, AB, and my tap input head is pointed to the second symbol of input string, which is a B. Now understand the state transition diagram. So we are at the initial state, which is a Q. Now here we are following our logic. So in a logic, step number 1 said that the symbol which you want to delete it is replaced by a delta. So B slash delta, and after replacing, we need to move our tap head to the right direction always. So here my head is going, after replacing, my head is going to the right side. Now step number 2 said that we have to move our tap to the right end of the string. So what we are going to do? So by moving to the right side, the symbol, if it is small a or if it is small b, we have to keep as it is and only move my tap head to the right end. So at a Q1 state, what we are going to do? Small a replaced by a small a, move tap head to the right direction. So here you can see that. Okay. Now small b, if it comes by if small b comes, small b is replaced by small b, move to the right direction. Now at Q2 state, if delta is appear, it means that we reach at the right end of strings. So what we are going to do? So we need to replace our delta by as it is delta and move my head to the left side, because in here we are going to perform a shift operation. So this is the last character of our string. So here we have to perform our shifting. Now what we are going to do? So we are at Q2 state. Now in place of B, which symbol uh, is replaced by the small b? It is always delta. The last character always replaced by for this input string is delta. So here at Q2 state, b is replaced by a delta and moved to the left direction. Now next cell is moved. Okay, so here my b is replaced by a delta. So delta is shifting to the left side. Okay, so now my b is shifted. Now my b is replaced by a delta. Now move my head to the left side. At Q4 state, if it is, so Q4 state, there are two possibilities, either A will come, either B will come. Now in my input string A will come, so what we are going to do, if A will come, A is replaced by a small b. At Q4 state, if you see, A is replaced by a small b, so B is shifted over here. So and move, A is replaced by B and move to the left side. So my head is moving to the left side. Now we are at Q3 state. Now Q3 state, if you see, if it is delta, it means that we reach at the we need to perform a last shifting. Okay, so this delta is replaced by a small a. So delta is replaced by a small a. Okay, now we can stop it and move to the halt in accepting state. So we need to stop over here and move to the halt in accepting state. It means that our task is completed. Now if you see over here, we have mentioned at a Q2 state, if delta is come, it moves to the directly HA step. It moved to the directly halt in accepting state. It means that it moves in a accepting state. If you see this portion at Q2 state, this portion, the whole portion is performing a shifting operation, left shift. Okay, if B path is followed, so this is B and this is my A, like this. If okay, now if you see over here, why I have used delta is replaced by a delta. Suppose we are going to delete a symbol which is the last symbol of the input string. So here I have taken the example so you can get the idea about this. Suppose my string is like this, A, B, B, delta. My head is, now I want to delete this symbol. So as you can see over here, this is my last symbol. Now start using the, now apply the logic for, apply the logic to delete the symbol on this input string. So at Q0 state said B is replaced by a delta. So what we are going to do, B is replaced by a delta and move my head to the right direction. So my head is moving to the right direction. At Q1 state. Now if it is delta, delta is replaced by a delta and move to the left side. Delta is replaced by a delta, move this head to the left side. So here you can see over. Now at a Q2 state, now at a Q2 state, if you see, if delta would come, it means that the symbol which you want to delete it is the last symbol. That's why at Q2 is appear, at Q2 state the delta is red. Okay, it means that we do not need to perform a shifting operation, because if it is a last symbol, there is no need to perform a left shifting. So we need to stop over here. We need to stop over here and move to the accepting state. So in this way we can, design a state transition diagram which delete a symbol. So I hope this concept is clear to you. Thank you all.